Hello. It is a cold and rainy day today. And I was like, I've got some stuff. I've got some stuff I can do in the garage. But, and I was like, you know what? This is a prime opportunity to make some quality content for all my dozens and dozens of viewers. And I did a quick look, and I could not really find anyone who did any serious forging in the rain. The question is, what are we going to make? I'm not going to make anything that I'm really invested in wanting to go well. This is going to be more of an experimentation all the way around with the rain, with the project. I'm going to make something I've never made before. So, I have always wanted to make a blacksmith's knife. And what that is, you have your blade there, and then it is just one piece of steel that goes around like this. There's no handle, it's just the steel. But I also figured, why not go a bit farther, make a little D guard. It's not going to be this exaggerated unless I suck. And just make a little, make a little leaf on the end of it. Hopefully it looks better than this. I'm thinking I want the entire length of this tail to be about 15 inches. So wraps around once, twice, 3 times. That'll give me about a 5-inch handle. And then by the time you take these curve lengths out, I'm guessing this will be about halfway up the actual handle, which would be a pretty good cover for a D-guard. And then this, the blade length, around 5 inches. This might evolve over time as I see it is or is not looking pretty good, but we'll see. For this project, we are using this piece of straightened out coil spring. These are generally something akin to 5160, which is a spring steel. They make great knives, and for a blacksmith's knife especially because it has that curve in the handle, a spring steel is going to be really good, I think, for keeping that shape. So, like I already said, this is not going to be a tutorial. This is going to be me just having some fun. And like I said, my first leaf. So, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I really need to make a new set of tongs. There we go. So the basic idea is right here, we are isolating our leaf. This is going to be the tip, obviously, and then we're going to set down about right there. And that'll isolate the big chunk of material here for the body of the leaf. Then this will all be tapered down, and this is going to be that 15-inch section of the handle. Alright, so here's the set down. Oh wait, do I go on the angle or the flat? On the angle. Yeah. Oh, but I gotta do both. That's right. See? See? I was serious when I said this wasn't a tutorial. I'm gonna put that back in. So yeah, my forte is knives. I do a lot of knives. I don't do a lot of leaves. right, now we're doing something. Which is not straight, but whatever. There we go. I'm gonna say that's good. I don't want to get it much thinner than that. Alright, so this is the part where we forge out the body of the leaf. That doesn't look bad. Okay, I'm happy with that. Alright, so with the leaf out, we're going to try to put some branches into it, or veins, whatever's on a leaf. Not too worried about how this turns out, I'm just trying to put some texture into it. Alright, so now pulling the end off because I'm going to hold it, hopefully not burn myself. That would be a bad day. And put in a little curve. Because who doesn't like, I don't have my hammer. There we go. And there we go. Yes, that kind of looks like crap, but whatever. Okay, I take that back. It doesn't look like crap. It just looks like kind of crap. So, when I started filming this video, it was supposed to be like oh, it's raining outside and we're forging anyways, oh, you're so brave. But I took a lunch break, and it is gorgeous outside. There's no more rain, it's warmed up a little, blue skies, yada yada. And so, this is no longer a rain video, it is just a me trying my first time at a blacksmith knife video. With a leaf. So, I don't know how much of the rain is going to make it into the first parts of the video. I won't really know until I start editing. But maybe some will make it, maybe some won't. I don't know. Alright, now that that's done, we are going to, let's see, how do I have to orient this? Alright, so my blade's going to be coming out, what can you see? Can you see that? Yeah. My blade's going to be coming out this side, so the edge is going to be over here, which means the D-guard, the leaf, this side has to be facing that way, because it's going to wrap around and then back again. Yeah, that's right. All right, so now we need to do a twist and just make sure that the leaf is facing this direction. All right, well, I just twisted it and didn't film it because I'm an idiot and forgot to move the camera. But it's all right. So I just gave it a little bit of heat so I can come back in. And again, I'm not too worried about it. I just want to keep it kind of clean and bring that back out a little bit. I'm at another twist. And I'm not going to film that one either. Alright, so that should be right at 15. Let me see. Yep, it's just over 15. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and make a hot cut. This is going to be our blade material. I'm just going to clean at this transition and then start forging at the blade. There we go. Yeah, I think that'll turn out looking nice. Straighten her up. There we go. I like it. Just have to not mess it up. The hardest part of my job, not messing up. Alright, so here's where we're stopping for today. Let's see if we can get a good view of it. There we go. Blade has a good shape. I'm pretty happy with how this, oh, you can't even see that. I'll show you tomorrow. I'm pretty happy with how it all turned out today though. Got a bit of a late start in the day, so couldn't get it all done. But we'll be back at it tomorrow when there's actually a sun. We can see what we're doing.